Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to my channel Craze. Today I'm going to show you this beautiful rose embroidery. I have already uploaded the drawing of the design. I will put the link in description box. Before that, if you are not a subscriber of my channel, then please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon to get the notifications on time. Here I have taken 2 string woolen thread. Here I will give closed blanket stitch. There is a playlist for blanket stitch or buttonhole stitch in my channel. If you want, you can watch the videos of the playlist. I will put the link in description box. Now here I am giving the running stitch. These are anchor threads and I am going to use them here. Here I have taken one ply of anchor thread. You can see it's completed. You can apply this stitch on Alpona also. I have already uploaded the video. If you want, you can check it. I will put the link in description box. So if you like this easy rose embroidery, then give a thumbs up and leave a comment. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.